Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very interesting recipe. I'm going to be showing you how to make donuts. They're so easy to make and very fluffy. You can take them as a snack or you can even have them for breakfast. So let's get started. A quarter cup of lukewarm water. Then I'm going to add my 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast and let it dissolve in the water. Then I'm going to cover for around 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into my mixture. Then I'm going to add 2.5 cups of warm milk. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs, each at a time. Then I'm going to whisk my ingredients to combine. To this I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add 5 cups of all-purpose flour, one at a time. You make sure your flour is leveled. So I'm going to mix my flour and my wet ingredients. My second cup, third cup. Then I'm going to mix again. My fourth cup. So by now you'll notice that your dough is becoming firm. So you can use your hands, or if you have a stand mixer, you can add your 5th cup. But for me, I'm going to use my hands. So you make sure to wash your hands. And finally my 5th cup. So now I'm going to use my hands, and my hands are clean, and knead the dough. So now I'm going to put my dough on my countertop. Then I'm going to knead. Notice that the dough is sticky, but just continue kneading. So I've spread my half a cup of butter, softened butter. So I'm going to fold in the dough, then knead. So as you knead, you fold inside. So my dough is ready to proof for about 1 hour until doubled in size. After 1 hour of waiting, my dough has doubled up in size. So I'm going to dust my working surface, and then I'm going to put my dough and knead for around 1 minute. So we are going to punch our dough. Then I'm going to put that aside. So I'm going to use my rolling pin and roll out the dough. I'm going to cut out my dough. So if you have a round cookie cutter, you can use, or any other round shape you have. So now I'm going to gently remove the excess dough. So now I'm going to pick my donuts. Then I'm going to place them on my parchment paper and let them double up in size also for around 20 to 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes, as you can see, so now we are going to carefully pick up our dough and put it and place it on the cooking oil carefully so that you don't burn yourself. So first of all, you have to check if your oil is hot. So I usually check mine with using a skewer. You can also use a rolling pin if you don't have a skewer. So I'm going to check mine. So as you can see now, my oil is hot. So I'm going to look how gorgeous my donuts are looking. So now I'm going to take out my donuts and place them in a paper napkin so that we can drain the excess oil. So my donuts turned out really good, and the sprinkles and the chocolate really made the donuts even more sweeter. So I hope you all try out this recipe, and I hope to see you on my next episode. Bye bye.